The AI boom is happening, but everyone is missing the crucial foundational layer that makes it all possible. Every NVIDIA chip, every AI model, every chatbot relies on one thing to survive. This is where this company is cashing in. Without it, the future of AI literally melts down. This company is quietly building the physical backbone for the entire AI industry. I'm going to reveal this company. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this often overlooked player might be one of the smartest long-term bets in the AI space. So, what exactly are we talking about? The company is Vertiv Holdings Company, ticker VRT. You might not recognize the name, but they are an invisible giant in the world of critical digital infrastructure. Think of them as the master architects and engineers of the physical environments that house our digital world. Vertiv designs, manufactures, and services the essential equipment that keeps data centers, communication networks, and industrial facilities running 24/7. This includes things like advanced cooling systems, sophisticated power management units, basically, everything needed to ensure that the massive computing power driving our digital lives doesn't overheat, short-circuit, or go offline. Now, why does this matter so much for AI? Here's where it gets interesting. Artificial intelligence, especially large language models and complex machine learning, requires an insane amount of computational power, and that power generates an equally insane amount of heat. Traditional data centers simply aren't built to handle the thermal and power demands of modern AI workloads. This is where Vertiv becomes indispensable. They are the specialists in providing the high-density power and precision cooling solutions that next-generation AI data centers absolutely must have to function. Without Vertiv's technology, those powerful NVIDIA chips and intricate AI algorithms would literally melt down. They are the life support system for the AI brain. Let's talk about the signals that show this company isn't just surviving, but thriving. First, their organic order growth is simply explosive. In the fourth quarter of 2025, Vertiv reported organic orders up a staggering 252% year-over-year and 117% sequentially from the prior quarter. This isn't just growth, it's a stampede of demand directly tied to the escalating need for AI infrastructure. Companies are scrambling to build out their AI capabilities, and they're turning to Vertiv. Second, their revenue growth is robust and projected to continue. For 2025, Vertiv reported $10.23 billion in revenue, a healthy 27.69% increase over the previous year. And looking forward, the company itself is guiding for organic sales growth of 26% to 28% in 2026. This isn't speculative growth, it's backed by real orders and a clear market need. And third, Vertiv is aggressively expanding its manufacturing capacity for AI-ready infrastructure. They're upgrading facilities across the Americas, like in South Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Mexico, specifically to boost production of the advanced power and thermal management systems, including critical liquid cooling technologies that AI data centers demand. This isn't just about meeting current demand, it's about positioning themselves as the go-to provider for the future of AI infrastructure. They're investing heavily in what's coming next. Now, you might be asking, if this company is so crucial, why isn't everyone talking about it like they talk about NVIDIA or Broadcom? This is the core of our hidden winner thesis. Vertiv operates in the unsexy part of the tech world. Power and cooling infrastructure, while absolutely critical, doesn't generate the same kind of buzz as revolutionary AI chips or viral software applications. Investors often gravitate towards the more glamorous, direct AI plays, overlooking the foundational companies that make it all possible. It's the classic picks and shovels scenario. But in the context of AI, these picks and shovels are highly complex, specialized engineering solutions. The market, in its pursuit of the next big thing, often misses the essential infrastructure underneath. Of course, no investment comes without risks. One key risk is the cyclicality of data center capital expenditures. While AI demand is a strong tailwind, overall spending on data centers can fluctuate, which could impact Vertiv's order book. Also, they face competition from other industrial giants like Schneider Electric and Eaton, who also offer critical infrastructure solutions. And finally, some valuation models currently suggest Vertiv might be overvalued, with consensus price targets from some analysts implying a potential downside from current levels. However, these models often struggle to fully account for exponential growth driven by a paradigm shift like AI, and the market often assigns a premium to companies with such strong secular tailwinds. So, Vertiv Holdings Company is not just another stock, it's a foundational player in the artificial intelligence revolution, While the spotlight shines on the chip designers and software developers, Vertiv is the company ensuring that the physical infrastructure can actually support this monumental technological shift. Their explosive order growth, strong revenue performance, and aggressive capacity expansion directly address the most pressing physical challenges of AI. They might not be the loudest name in the room, but they are undoubtedly one of the most critical. For investors looking beyond the obvious, Vertiv represents a compelling opportunity to invest in the indispensable lifeblood of AI. It's the invisible giant, powering the future, one perfectly cooled and powered server rack at a time. What are your thoughts on Vertiv? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hidden winner insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.